This is Arnold Schwarzenegger's view of death.
One day it's over. I mean, that really pisses me off.
Governor, where are we going to go when we die? Be honest with us.
Well, the truth is that we go 6 feet under.
That's
and
it?
we're going to rot there. Yes, absolutely. That's it.
I
It's
thought
just
you
that-
were
that's
told me
the-
to be uplifting
No,
today.
but that's the reality.
That's how you welcome me
and
to LA?
hopefully,
Yes.
there is a life after this, and we all know it's going to be different. If there's a life after this, I hope
There
there's
isn't
a life
one, is
after
there?
this. Well, but it's not going to be like this. I'm not going to sit after we are dead. We're not going to sit here like this and do interviews and have a great time and have
No.
laughs and have Robin there, giving us this
Robin.
beautiful smile
Right.
all the time.
Robin won't be there?
No, so I mean, this will be different.
Worms are
Maybe
gonna
there will be
eat us.
angels sitting around, and maybe there will be
Nothing.
God there smacking us every time we say something, a four-letter word or something like that, right? I mean, they'll say,
know
shit,
it.
that is a whatever. I mean, I don't know what it is, but it is upsetting, and I cannot stand it.
Are you angry about it?
I'm so angry about it.
Me too.
I'm furious about it.
Me too.
I'm telling you.
Can't we do something?
No, but that's why you and I are so much alike.
I know.
Because
I
we
mean-
want to be the only ones that will live forever.